Hi, I'm attorney Gary Martin Hayes. What you are about to see is my AI video agent. However, it's my real voice and my own research that goes into every video that my law firm produces to educate other attorneys and injured consumers regarding Georgia law. Now, I use AI to make high quality videos so we can quickly get them out to the legal community and so I can focus on helping my law firm's clients with their cases.
Truck accidents are complex, involving unique evidence like black box data and driver logs. These elements can reveal key details about the crash, like speed and brake use, helping to establish legal responsibility. Preserving evidence quickly is crucial because trucking companies act fast to protect themselves after crashes. Evidence helpful to victims can disappear if not preserved early. Important steps include requesting records, securing data, inspecting the truck, and interviewing witnesses. Expert analysis and accident reconstruction are key in truck accident cases. Understanding Georgia's statute of limitations is crucial in truck accident cases. Delays can jeopardize critical evidence. Consulting with an experienced Atlanta truck accident lawyer as soon as possible. Contact Gary Martin Hayes today for a free consultation to protect your rights.